How to browse Hulu by network or use advanced filters. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can use advanced filters or network to browse in Hulu. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into hulu.com. After you are logged in, navigate to top left corner. From there, you have to tap on browse. Again, click on TVs or movies depending upon what you're looking for. Then you have to scroll down to networks and look for network section. There you may find various channel logos. So from there, just click to view all to source from that network. So that's the way to use network features to browse in Hulu. But if you're on your mobile device, you could head over to search at the top. Then there on your mobile device, you could search by the genre. That's it. That's how you can browse Hulu by network or advanced features. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.